Good morning, viewers. Today, we're taking a look at the Magsafe Car Mount, advertised with 20 strong magnets for a secure hold. This magnetic phone holder is designed for dashboard mounting and offers 360-degree rotation. The key selling point is its compatibility with Magsafe-enabled iPhones, specifically the iPhone 12 series and later, including the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 15, 14, and 13 models. The strong magnetic array promises a reliable grip, even on bumpy roads. In our testing, the mount performed adequately. The magnetic connection was indeed strong, holding the phone securely. The 360-degree rotation allows for flexible viewing angles. However, potential buyers should consider the placement of the mount on their dashboard to avoid obstructing their view. Overall, the Magsafe Car Mount offers a convenient solution for hands-free phone use in the car. Its strong magnetic hold and adjustable viewing angles are definite advantages.